Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Srini. This is Dapper C# tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fetch a particular row from the table. Particular row means a single row from the table, particular table. And yeah, let's get into this. Where so I just want to get a bills from the bills table, bill from the bills table, single bill, right? In connection object, for that we are going to use the query single or default method for this concept. Query single or default. Yeah, in parameter we are going to simply pass the query text bills. So if we run the query, let's see what we will get from this query. We are getting error because the sequence contains more than one element, which means the table has more than one row. Which row we want to get? So we need to specify which row we want to get. So that's why we are getting error here, because you can see we in bills table we have a two rows. So we need to specify which row we are going to return from the table. So for that I'm going to use where clause here, bill number, yeah, and new object, bill number equal to at number equal to 2. So second bill, I just want to get fetch that second bill from the bills table. So let's see what we will get from this query. Yeah, we have a data, we have a second bill, right? So I'm getting the result in this format. I'm getting result in this format because I didn't specify the return type here. I didn't use any object to map the results, so we can get directly, right? So if you want to specify, no need to worry about it. So you can get bills directly. Yeah, so we can also see we have a query single method. So we just use query single or default, right? So we have a query single method. In query single method, you can see this method used in this scenario. This method used uh, in the in this condition. The condition must be if the table has rows. Only if the table has rows, it will return the data only if the table has any row. Otherwise it will give some error. So let's check it. Yeah, we have a second build. That's why we are getting the result. So if I mention bill number equal to 3, so we don't have a 3 here. So we only have a 2 bills. So now let's see what we are getting. So now we are getting the error because sequence contains no elements. In this case, the query single or default method is the perfect choice. Perfect choice because if the table has this row, it will return the particular row. Otherwise, it will return the null value. Now the table has no row which contains the bill number 3, right? So now the bill is null because uh, there is no row which has a bill number 3, right? So yeah, this is how we can get a single row from the table using Dapper C Sharp. Thank you guys. This next video, I will explain about some other topic in Dapper C Sharp. I hope you can understand this tutorial. Yeah, thank you guys.